it's Tiffany Lee and I'm back again with another video. I know it's been so long since I've been in front of this camera and I really do apologize, y'all. But actually, I have another video coming out before this, but I recorded it so long ago and just never edited it. So that video will be out before this, so it's not technically gonna be a while since I've been on YouTube, but I'm just talking too much. I didn't need to do all that, but it's basically been a while in my eyes since I've been on YouTube, so that's all I'm gonna say. But for today's video, we are going to be unboxing these Balenciaga Croc boots, as you can tell by the title of the video and what's behind me. We're about to be cracking that open, seeing what's tea, and I'm just so excited. I've had my eyes on these boots for a very long time, but yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and start unboxing. Okay, so as y'all can see, it probably doesn't look as big on camera, but as you can see, this box is huge. So this is what we're working with, okay? Like, the box is huge. So I'm just gonna begin opening these up. I already know what they look like. Like, I tried them on in the store and everything, so it's not really gonna be a surprise, but it's still exciting because I really love these boots. So on to the exciting part. And we're gonna open these bad boys up. Y'all ready? Y'all are not ready. Y'all are not ready. Let me get these out. Y'all, look at how clean and sleek these are. Like, these are it. Fall and winter, like, I feel like this is like a staple shoe that you need to have. Like, these boots are just everything. Like, I love them so much. Like, when I tell y'all I've had my eyes on these boots for so long and I kept looking at them online, I was at the mall shopping for an event I was going to, and I was shopping in another store. I happened to leave the store because I went in the store that I was originally going to downstairs, but then when I checked out and when I was leaving, I left the store upstairs. As soon as I walked out the store that I was originally going to and was done, I walk out and Balenciaga's right in front of me. So I'm like, I have to go in. I go in, and as soon as I go in, I look to my left and the boots are right there on the wall. The sales associate comes up to me and he's like, can I help you find anything? I was like, actually, I'm looking at these boots right here. Because they were right in front of my face. Now, mind you, I was not planning on buying these. I really wasn't, because I was literally just shopping for clothes. Like, I was not intending to buy any shoes. But when I saw when I thought about the way it all happened, I was just like, it was meant for me to have these boots. Like, I have to get them now. Girl math, like, I have to. So the sales associate got me my size and everything. And at first I told him I needed a 38, which is usually my original size. Like, I'm usually an 8 or a 38. Because I have the track runners, and in these I'm a 38. But for some reason, the boots, they run big. So if you're a size 8, you'll most likely want to get a 37, because when I tried on the 38 boots, they were huge on my feet. But like I said, I'm a 38 in the track runners and they fit perfectly, but the boots are huge. I was standing in one spot and like my foot, like I could flap it up and down, so it was just way too big. And I was wearing thick socks, so I had even said that. I was like, dang, I'm even wearing thick socks and they're still big. So because usually you want to get a bigger size, so like in case, especially boots, in case you do wear thick socks, that you have some moving room still. But even with the thick socks, they were still big. So I definitely wanted to throw that in this video in case you did click on this video for that purpose, to figure out what size you are. They definitely, in my opinion, did run big, so you're definitely going to want to make sure that you keep that in mind. But yeah, the boots were super comfortable. I wore these to a homecoming event and I was outside the majority of the time. We walked a long distance. It was ridiculous. The parking situation, I'm pretty sure we walked a good 3 miles, if not more. Like, it was ridiculous. So I wore these boots walking 3 miles from the parking, and that's not even including walking around the whole yard for Yard Fest. So these boots were definitely comfortable, very warm, kept me in good condition. So I say it's worth the coin. And yeah, I really like this black colorway. I just realized I never opened the other shoe. I mean, obviously they look identical, but I'm sitting there talking with one shoe, so I'm gonna take this one out as well. Yes, these are the boots. I think they are so cute, y'all. Like, I'm really a real one because this isn't even really a genuine unboxing video. I did wear these already, like I said, but yeah, I cleaned them off, repackaged them and everything just for y'all, for the full effect. So y'all are welcome. Y'all see how I come for the content. Like, I just wanted y'all to really note that and appreciate it, because I just feel like I'm a real one for that. I really just wanted to give y'all the visual in case any of y'all are thinking about purchasing these boots, because I know, especially if you're looking online like I was for a long time, I was very skeptical about purchasing them. Because especially something worth, you know, a little coin, you definitely want to make sure that your money is going to a good purpose. You want to make sure that it's a good product, and you definitely want to do your research first. I love them. I don't know if y'all, like, after seeing them, you know, closer up or like on video, if that might have changed your opinion, if it might persuade y'all a little bit more to get them. I don't know. This video is not sponsored by Balenciaga. This is just me, you know, trying to be helpful to y'all, because I know when I'm purchasing something, I like to look up YouTube videos, TikTok videos, etc. Especially try on videos, like just to see what they look like on feet, all that kind of stuff. So I can do that for y'all too. It's just like gonna be a little ghetto because I'm sitting down, but so this is what they look like on feet. This is how I'm coming for the content with y'all. I'm standing on top of my spinny chair. Try not to crash out right now, but I just wanted to help y'all out because I know this would help me out. And yeah, I think they are so stylish. I love the black. I know they come in a bunch of colors. They come in like beige or tan, pink, green, white. There's so many colors, but I had to go with black because it's fall. It's just giving me that, like, I don't know, they just do it. Like, I feel like these boots just make a statement. So I'm gonna just give y'all a little close-up on everything, all the details. So they say Balenciaga at the very top. Very clean, neat. They have that croc material, and this is what the heels are looking like. They say the size 37. This is what the bottoms look like. They look like your typical Crocs, and they just say Balenciaga on the bottom, sides, and back to the front, and the inside, which you can't really see. I just love this collab so much. Like, thank you Balenciaga and Croc for doing this collab. I love y'all. So that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed. I hope this video helped you, or if it didn't, if you weren't looking at it for help, I hope it entertained you. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I love them. I hope y'all love them. If y'all get them, or if you're thinking about getting them, or if you've purchased them already, definitely make sure that you leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your feedback. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. Again, I really hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you stay blessed, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.